He did me dirty. Okay. Ah. Another food challenge because you guys love these. I got a couple requests to do this one, and this is my boyfriend chooses my food for an entire day. Great! So Austin has full control of what goes in my body today. He could make me eat whale toenails. Is that a thing? Or he could like be nice and be like matcha lattes and Starbucks all day, right? Or like a full day of McDonald's or something like that. So we'll see how nice I've been to him throughout the week and see how he's gonna repay me. So breakfast is already completed because you guys can see that I'm already dolled up. Ew, I'm a doll. So this is how breakfast went. Hi guys! So it is, well, it's not really breakfast, but I'm done doing all the errands I had to do. I had to get some things prepped for surgery because you have to have your things in before 90 days before surgery. So I just decided to do it all today because I feel great. So why not get it done? It is lunch technically, but everything's just gonna be a little bit behind. We are gonna phone Austin and see what he wants me to eat. I already told him I was doing this, so here we go. And I was like, and don't just do things that I like, right? Because I won't be cute video.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, how's it going, baby?
Hi, good. I just finished everything.
Awesome. That's great.
Yeah, and I'm starving, so what do I eat for breakfast?
I'm picking your breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. I already know what I'm thinking.
Oh my god.
You will have Aaron Coffee House.
What the f is that?
Go there.
Okay, what do I get?
I don't know.
What?
I don't even know what they have. Hey, oh, I'm supposed to pick the food.
Yeah, you're supposed to pick the food.
Okay, well, I got picked up. Okay, just give me 1 second.
You're like, go there. I'm like, well, get what? What if they don't have food? I'm so hungry.
You are gonna get...
Oh my god, do they
You're
have...
gonna get the classic.
What's the classic what?
It's a bagel
Ooh.
with smoked salmon, cream cheese, black pepper, and onion.
Oh my god, something I would never order. I love it.
Yep.
Do I get a drink or no?
And yes.
What if they're like sold out? I'm so stressed. Oh well.
And you're gonna get a iced Irish latte.
Iced Irish latte?
Actually, no, iced London fog.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright.
So the classic and an iced London fog. This is so random. Okay. I've never been there either.
Good luck. Hopefully you like it.
Yeah, okay. Wow, thank you. Not you supporting local businesses. Okay, I'll send you a picture of what it looks like.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Talk to you at lunch.
Love you.
I didn't say love you. Okay, I've never been to Aaron Coffee House, but I know where it is. It's down the street-ish. I'm kind of close. Let's go. Okay, I'm here. I've never been here before. There is bubble tea. What an asshole. Okay, ready? Let's go in. Oh my god. Okay. It looks so pretty. There it is. There's the classic under bagels. Hi. It is so pretty in here. Look at all the artwork. It's gorgeous. Can I get a classic bagel and an iced London fog? Please. Wow. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day. I've been wanting to check out this place for like a year or two, and we always don't think about it because it's a little farther away from our house, but I'm doing errands today. And I've always told Austin, we need to go there, we need to go there. This was like not planned because people might be like, that looks like a place you would go to. Why would he think? That's why. So I'm really glad that he said that. They were like the nicest people in there. So quick, so nice, huge selection. She said stir well. Comes with a tea bag in it. So glad he chose something local. The sun is so bad. I'm gonna try the sandwich. I'll move out of the way. Oh, good, because there's a guy that used to hit me up over there. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god, that's better than the one I got at Starbucks. No cap. Ew, did I just say no cap? Me at 32. No cap. Bro. It smells so good. This is a perfect breakfast. I am so impressed. I am definitely gonna be going back there. This is just leaking a little bit, but it's because I pulled the tea bag string. Don't get any ideas. So I can get a picture, so that was literally my bad. But they gave me napkins. Here's a little bagel, it's a cute little thing. That's actually such a good breakfast. I'm so happy, okay. And also I wanna say, during all this, I always am drinking water, so I will be drinking water. Ah, I'm so excited for lunch now, I'm like, what the hell? She's stunning. Okay, my breakfast. This is what it looks like. I cannot wait to get into this. That's what we're looking at. Is it upside down? I'm so confused. I think it might have just like flipped because I'm seeing this. Okay, this matches this. Okay, wait. There's red onions, salmon, cream cheese. Looks like some capers. So I forget what this is called, like lox? It's like a lox bagel kind of. And then this one looks like that. So I kind of like that it's not like overpowering. I don't know, I like more like plain, but let's give it a go. Matters how it tastes. Definitely smoked salmon. The onions give it such a good crunch. It's like a sushi breakfast sandwich. Okay, I'm obsessed. It's a perfect mix of like salty and sweet. The salmon is a little bit sweet. Oh my lord. I love it. I love it. This is a perfect breakfast. Thank you, Austin. Wow! This is a great little breakfast as I edit right now. Woohoo! I also want to say how chewy the bagel is. I can tell it's homemade. And look at this. Like, it's just, oh, it's so good. Like, it's perfectly cooked. And they did ask me what bagel do I want, plain, everything, jalapeno cheddar, and I think a multigrain. And I wasn't gonna go ask Austin, so I just chose everything bagel. So delicious, and Coop thinks so too, right? You want a little? Sorry, I'm on hold. And now we're going into lunch, so wish me luck here. Okay, I'm ready. It's a little bit later. Like my schedule's all messed up with food today, but that's fine. We're still gonna do lunch and I'm gonna phone Austin right now. I always have my caller ID off, so I'm gonna turn it on. Because I've been phoning so many places lately. I don't know why. It's like a weird habit of mine. It's like this weird like, I don't know, I'm like we're in a simulation, so I should turn off my caller ID.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, baby.
I'm hungry for lunch.
What? What's up?
I'm hungry for lunch.
Oh, sorry. I was pooping. I couldn't hear you over the toilet.
Pooping?
Yeah, I'm pooping. Getting ready to come home? Okay. You used to get a flounder sandwich from Popeyes.
A flounder?
Yeah, I think it's called a flounder sandwich.
Holy shit.
That sounds like a great pick. And hopefully you don't like it and I can eat the rest of
Jesus!
it at home.
It's actually called flounder?
Yeah, the flounder sandwich.
Like it's the Disney guy cut up?
Oh my god. A flounder is actually a kind of fish, you know.
Oh, no I didn't. Yeah, I did. Okay, and that's it? I just walk in there and say, hey, I want a flounder sandwich? That's so embarrassing.
That's it. That's all. That's it.
Okay.
My rules.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, well, I'll go get it then. Okay, thanks a lot. See you at home when you choose our supper.
Okay, love you.
God, love you, bye.
Bye.
He's definitely gonna choose pizza for supper. Like, this is the only thing he eats. His diet, like, sorry, not to like hate on someone's diet. Why would you comment on your boyfriend's diet? Because if I didn't like buy groceries or like have food in the house or plan suppers or like have ideas for suppers, he would literally eat pizza and Burger King like every day. He would literally eat that every day. Maybe he'll throw in a hamburger helper every once in a while. Okay, not me. Flounder sandwich? Absolutely not. I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm here. I don't want to go in. One flounder sandwich, please. That's it. Why is it so weird for me to do it? They're like, okay. They're gonna be like, okay. Anything else? Like, I'm like, I think too much into it. I just think it's like the Disney's. Ugh. Anyway, I feel like it was always advertised here and it's not here. Imagine me going in there and it's not even there anymore. I'm sick. It's not on the menu. I can't. Okay, so they literally don't have it. So I made my own. I bought a piece of fish, Cajun fish, and then I bought a chicken sandwich and I'm just gonna make it as a flounder sandwich. This is so embarrassing. She's like, we're out of that. We have been for a while. And I was like, okay, I'll make my own. Got it. Okay, so Austin just sent me a snap of Skip the Dishes. He can order right now to the house from the exact one that I was at. Flounder sandwich right there. So maybe they just haven't taken it off of Skip yet. I don't know. He wanted me to have fish sandwich, so I made one myself. So I got chicken sandwich. There's like a lot of people around here. I always do this on the phone. Oh my god, this looks so good. The fact that I can't have that right now. Okay, I'm gonna wait till this family leaves. Look at this, here's my piece of fish. They came up to me 3 times and they were like, do you know it's just 1 piece of fish? I'm like, well, that's what you have on your menu. I have to replace this beautiful sandwich right here with that piece of sandwich, that fish. I'm gonna keep the pickles on. Maybe it'll be good. Here we go. Oh my god. This is so sad. Okay, here's what it looks like. It doesn't look too bad. Cajun fish. So I'm gonna just turn this down so you guys can hear me. Ready? Ha! I would have preferred the chicken. Oh my god, it is Cajun-y. There it is, the flounder. I mean, it's better than the Mick flounder, or whatever it is from McDonald's. Hot. When I say hot, I mean like temperature. I don't feel like it's like Cajun-y. Like, no, nothing to drink. To be honest, I'm gonna eat that other piece of chicken. Way better, way more flavorful. Oh my god! Whoa! My fish just fell completely out of here. This is like the saddest, littlest piece of fish I've ever seen in my life. Okay. Anyways, we're done with this. Which is a fail. I'm just gonna drink water. You better come home soon for freaking supper. I'm hungry. It's close to supper, so I'm just gonna wait for supper and just have a massive supper. Well, hopefully, I'll be like, I'm hungry. Girls gotta eat. Okay, he's home now. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, he said he has a place for supper. I'm really nervous. So I think what we're gonna do is he is gonna just tell me the place and then he's gonna order the food and food for me too. Food for us. I don't know what the hell's happening.
Place we're ordering from tonight is Japa Shack.
Japa Shack?
Japa Shack.
That's where you want to eat?
Yeah, I want Japa Shack.
We haven't had that for so long.
I want to have it. Their Parmesan fries.
I'm like shocked. I did not think you were gonna order that at all.
Neither
Do you know
did
what
I
I think
until I seen it.
Guess what I thought you were gonna say?
What, doner? Pizza?
Pizza.
Yeah, I was thinking it, but I was like...
Or Burger
I was
King.
like, eat pizza all the time. Then I wasn't impressed with Burger King a few days ago. So it's gonna be a while before we have Burger King.
Okay,
Japa
Japa
Shack.
Shack.
We haven't had it in a long time.
Hey, another local place.
Yeah.
You're into the local places lately. Well, you're gonna order it. Well, you can use my card, but... Okay.
Okay.
And
I'm
then-
down with a free meal.
Okay, he just ordered it on my phone. I swear, I don't know what it is or anything. I'm just gonna click got it. 38 minutes. Then I'll give you guys a haul. Ah! It better be, is there like a substantial amount of food? Like, am I gonna be hungry?
No, won't be hungry.
I think we'll be good.
I'm scared.
I'm hungry too.
I'm hungry.
I forgot to tell you, I stopped at Taco Bell for lunch today.
I feel sick.
Not even a word of a lie. There was literally zero meat in my Crunchwrap Supreme. Like no meat at all. Like not even like a little bit of meat. Like no meat.
Karma. That was my lunch too. What the hell is that?
It's for you.
What is it?
Uh-huh.
What?
Give it a try.
What
Give it a
is
try.
it? Oh my god, I'm gonna puke because I don't know what it is. It can't be something bad, right? It looks pale to me. This is me before tanning. What? What is that? Tastes like milk with 7-Up.
I don't know. It's a Japanese soda.
Tastes like milk with 7-Up. It's actually not that bad.
No idea what it is, but I thought it'd be interesting.
Okay, I actually love it. But it tastes like,
Can I try it?
it just like hits you.
That's cool.
Doesn't it taste like milk with 7-Up?
That's different.
I like it.
Enjoy it. So,
Oh god.
the first item on the list.
Oh my god, look at those fries.
Oh, I think those are the volcano fries.
Oh my god, they smell so good.
Yum.
What?
Nice. Okay. No, those are different fries because they're shrimp. These are shrimp on top.
Are you kidding me?
These are shrimp on top.
Those look
So,
like
I guess-
insane. This looks like the best thing ever. I would have never ordered this.
Next one.
That must be volcano fries.
Yeah, okay.
What is the volcano? Oh my god, it smells so good.
It didn't say these ones had fries with them. They just said shrimp.
No.
So, oh my god, that smells really good.
There's more?
Yep, this is for you. Karate burger.
Karate?
Karate. Whatever.
The karate burger. What? What is it?
Chicken.
Oh, this is like a Japanese, what is it called? A Japanese inspired place?
And this is for myself. I got a Kobe burger. Is it good?
It's the same as mine, but beef, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh my god, it's like sweet and spicy. Try some.
Alright, I'll try a bite. I gotta grab a fork so you can try the shrimp.
That's what his looks like.
Try it. Try it. Try it. It tastes different.
I like mine better.
Perfect. I like mine better.
This is so interesting. They just called it a Japanese pot soda, I mean.
I believe so, yeah.
I love that. These looks iconic to me.
Try a shrimp. Try a shrimp.
A shrimp?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. There's shrimp and then fries on the shrimp.
Yeah, I didn't know there was fries with them too.
What kind of shrimp is it? It looks like
I don't know. I don't remember. But it looks
there's like carrots and fries. That's weird, but like, or not weird. Something I'm not used to. Yum. It's like honey mustard, maybe like some Kewpie mayo. Oh my god, the flavor is insane.
yum. That is really good.
I'm gonna try some of the volcano fries now. Oh, best thing on this plate, or sorry, on this table. Best thing. It tastes like sweet and sour pork.
Yum.
Oh my god, what? I'm so glad you you chose this for me. Thank you so much. I thought you were gonna bamboozle me again. This really makes up for lunch. I love you again. So if you guys want a part 2 of this, you want to see him do it again, maybe he could be meaner, maybe he could be nicer, let me know in the comments down below what you think, or maybe somebody else could do this, but I'm gonna go enjoy this meal. This looks like amazing, so I love you guys. Bye! Yeah! So that was the entire challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching these and for requesting these. If you guys want to see more food challenges, or maybe someone else choosing my food, maybe you guys choosing my food, my mom, my brother, my grandma, or something, I don't know, let me know, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye!